When you register to collect and pay tax in a jurisdiction, you need to refer to your registration paperwork to find the type of tax you need to collect. Collecting the right tax type ensures you're paying the correct tax amount to the jurisdiction. When you add jurisdictions to your Avalara account, you need to tell us what type of tax to calculate. Let's look at an example. Let's say you see an unexpected tax amount for this transaction. You can see here that your item shipped from your warehouse in North Carolina to your customer in Illinois, and that your business is collecting sales tax on the transaction. But is this correct? Let's take a look at where you collect. We only calculate tax in the places you've added. You already added Illinois to the list of regions where you collect and pay tax, so you need to dig a little deeper to find out what's going on here. You've indicated under tax type that you're only collecting sales tax in Illinois. Some states charge different rates for out-of-state transactions, so you may need to change the tax type to sales and seller's use tax. How do you know for sure what type of tax to collect? Before changing the tax type for any state, be sure to double-check your registration paperwork or reach out to the jurisdiction. If you change a tax type, you may need to change your return if we file on your behalf, because you may have the wrong return scheduled. In this example, let's say your paperwork indicated that you should be collecting sales and seller's use tax in Illinois. Let's see if making that change affects how we calculate your tax. The tax is still the same. Why is that? You need to recalculate the tax on this transaction for the change to take effect. The new tax amount will show up here. Use filters to find transactions that may be affected by your change to Illinois' tax type. Select the transactions, then recalculate the tax. You told us you collect sales and seller's use tax in Illinois, so we'll calculate for those tax types. If the amount you see isn't what you expected, you need to continue troubleshooting. Remember, when you recalculate taxes in your Avalara account, the updated tax amounts do not automatically flow back to your business application. Instead, you need to manually make the updates so that the tax amounts match. This important step makes it easier to reconcile your sales information each month. Let's review. You identified a problem by noticing an unexpected tax amount. You changed the tax type for Illinois under Where You Collect. Then you recalculated tax on the affected transactions.